Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down
The
frowns.
thoughts in my mind go up and down. They do.
They do?
They do. Not sure what to do. I'm left with a frown. Boo-hoo.
Boo-hoo, boo-hoo.
I say to myself, it's a real bad day, but only if I choose to make it that way. Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns. All right, Jacob, we're gonna mix it up a little bit. Instead of going back and forth, there's no more pattern. Watch for Jacob to point at your groove.
Thoughts in my mind
see somebody?
go up and down.
Who do you see?
They do.
They do?
They do. Not sure what to do. I'm left with a frown. Boo-hoo.
Boo-hoo, boo-hoo.
I say to myself, it's a real bad day, but only if I choose to make it that way. Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down
Up
frowns.
and down frown.
Up and down frowns. Are you
Okay, what we're
serious?
gonna do now, people, is turn everything around. Turn that frown upside down. Sometimes it's fun to do something backwards. So we're gonna take the chorus and we're gonna sing it backwards, okay? Instead of up and down frowns, it's gonna be this. Snorf waddy boo.
Schnorf wanted a boo.
Snorf waddy.
Schnorf wanted a boo.
Snorf waddy.
Schnorf wanted a boo. I don't see him.
Snorf waddy boo.
You think someone's here?
Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns.
Up and down frown.
Up and down frowns. Up and down frowns.
Yeah.
All right. Now, I told you before the show, if you... Is he here? Jacob? I think he's here. I think he's here. Everybody wave goodbye to Jacob. All right, Jacob, thank you for singing Up and Down Frowns and Numbers Everywhere. Before the show, I said if you see anyone that's joining us, we have this friend who's an intergalactic librarian, and you're telling me he's here? Okay, let me see. Okay, let me find out. He's here? Okay. I don't see him. You said he was here? Okay. I'm looking. You said he was here. Look inside. He's not there. Is there anybody here who, everyone sees him? Does you all think he's here?
Yeah. Just look in the curtains and wait.
Look. Hey!
Hi, Kevin. How's it going?
I'm okay.
Yep.